Hey, welcome to another tech tip, and I am here today to talk about ExactPath. So I know that a lot of the ADs are starting to get started on ExactPath, and we've been told to get some demo students, and I wanted to walk you through how I would demo this with 3 or 4 students to start giving the teachers the feel for it. So I'm going to go ahead and go to ExactPath. And the first step I need to do to get students in here is go to classes, and I'm going to go ahead and manage classes and create a class. So I'm going to come here, click create a class, and I'm going to call this demo class 2025. I really just need a number that's going to be different and a name that's going to be different. I'm going to make my class grade 9, really just basic, okay? And if I come down here, all the students are in here. So I could go right here and put demo in this class. And now this student is in this class. I'm going to go ahead and save. Oh, what field did I forget? Oh, I forgot to do school. For now, we're doing the training account because we don't want to end up with this in our permanent data, okay? So now I have the demo class with a student in it. I do want to show you, after you've created a class, you can go back in and add students very easily. So I can go back in and add cat demo to this class. And now I have 2 students in this class. I come down here, always press save, and now I have 2 students in this class. So now I have students in this class, but I need to give them their ExactPath. And eventually the way this will work is we'll upload STAR assessment data that will give the students a learning path, hence why it's called ExactPath, and it's targeted to that student. But right now we don't have the connection set up between Renaissance STAR and Edmentum. It's going to be there by next year. It seems very easy to set up, so we will make sure that it gets set up, okay? So what I want to do is, just for the sake of the demo, is I want to give my student that I'm demoing this with some assignments so that they can try it out, right? So how would I go about doing this? I'm going to go to assignments, and right here I can create a new assignment, but how do I know what to assign my student? How do I know what path they're on? For this, I'm going to go to my good old friend, STAR. So if you go to STAR Renaissance and you go to reports, you have this instructional planning report student. And you can come in, choose your subject matter, math or reading, and select your specific student. To select students, you click on student and then you can search for your specific student. I'm not going to do that on screen because as soon as I put a student name in there, I have to blur it, and I don't want to have to blur it. What I did was I went ahead and I downloaded this report, and then I took away all the identifying information. So this is a sample student report. This student happens to be pretty low in math. They're on grade 1, adding and subtracting 2-digit numbers and numbers and operations, right? So to give this student an assignment, I can look at this, and then I can come to assignments, and I'm going to choose math, and I'm going to choose the domain, numbers and operations, and I can even choose first, numbers and operations. Once I do that, it changes and select a skill. And these are all the first grade skills, and they had add and subtract, tens and multiples of tens. So that is the same exact skill that it's calling for on the STAR report. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one and go next. Now, you have to put in an end date. So I'm going to go ahead and put in an end date. And then you have to assign it to a student. So this is going to be for my cat demo. I'm going to click assign. And now when Kat logs in, this card is going to come up on her screen, and she's going to be able to do this. I hope this helps you get started with doing some demos in ExactPath. Have a great week.